Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fraser, a plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide, here to help you unlock the incredible benefits of natural remedies and herbs. I'm also working on an exciting initiative called Wholesale for All, creating an online cooperative for natural health seekers to access affordable herbs and holistic products at cost price. If this resonates with you and you want to enjoy the benefits of wholesale herbs and products online at cost price, please drop me a comment below. Or you can email me at hello@carolfraser.co.uk to stay updated. Right, well, today we're diving into the world of rhubarb root, a lesser known but incredibly effective herb for digestion and detoxification. So let's explore its history, benefits, and how to use it safely. Rhubarb root has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine for its powerful effects on the digestive system. It's particularly known for its anthraquinones. These are natural compounds that stimulate the bowels and support regularity. If you've been feeling bloated or sluggish post-holidays, rhubarb root might be the gentle reset for your digestive system. So, rhubarb root acts as a mild laxative, helping to relieve occasional constipation and clears the colon. Rhubarb root also aids liver detoxification, working as a gentle yet effective cleanser. Its compounds can reduce inflammation in the gut, supporting overall digestive comfort. While effective, rhubarb root is potent, so long-term or excessive use can lead to dependency, so it's best to use it in moderation and as part of a balanced herbal regimen. So here's how to make a simple rhubarb root tea. Add 1 teaspoon of dried rhubarb root to a pot of boiling water. Then let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain it and drink. For added flavour, you can mix it with marshmallow root or hibiscus for a soothing blend. Now, if you're ready to give rhubarb root a try, head over to naturalworkshops.com. I'll add the link in the description below, where all our herbs are ethically sourced, they're organic and well crafted. And first-time customers can also enjoy a 50% discount. And don't forget to join our Telegram group to connect with like-minded health seekers and get your questions answered directly. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share these videos with others and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest uploads on natural solutions for your ultimate well-being. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.